How to write text into an image on Google Docs. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily write some text into an image on Google Docs. So here I've got an image and some random text. So if I try to move the image around the text so that the text fits inside the image, as you can see the text is running away. It's because you have set this on the text wrapping, so anything you write will be wrapped around your image. So in this case what you are going to do is select the image first, and then you are going to send it to the back of the text, or if you want to break the text you can do that as well. So I'm just going to send it behind text so that the text will be visible even when I move the image. So this is the first thing that you can do. Now if I type in anything and then if I just select the image, move it a bit forward and increase the size of it, as you can see here you can easily now write inside the image. What you can also do is add a text box, so you can just go ahead and click on the text box option to add a new text box. So you're gonna head over to the insert tab here, and then from here you can choose drawings to include or insert new text box. You can click on new, and from here you can add text box like this, start typing, and then click on save and close, and this text box will be visible right here, so you can move it around and bring it to your image. So select the text box and then move it to the image. So these are a few ways that you can type on behind an image on Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.